Welcome to tutorial 131. This tutorial explores the Coord Now feature in max time. This feature is used on a chord pattern where you need to have zero transition. So what it does, it looks in the background cycles, determine where it needs to be in step and goes there. So it's immediately in chord. So I got an 8-phase quad set up here. It's running free. And I simply have all the phases in max recall to get it to cycle under phase options. All the programming is in coordination, so I go to coordination and coordination parameters. I got to have valid patterns. So the first thing I have to do for have a valid pattern is have a good cycle length. I need an offset, and I need a split table, and I need a sequence. So I fill out this little chart here, and then I go to my split tables, make sure I got valid split. So I got to have split times, I got to have chord phases, I got to have reference phases. So I do that for each of the 4 split tables I have. And then I go to the the configuration validation screen. Whenever you do chord, you always want to check your configuration validation. It checks all your math on your pattern. You know it's good if they're clear in here. So to do a little testing, we're going to go into coordination, and we're going to go from free to automatic. So we'll let the time base pick up whatever pattern it needs at random. And we're going to go back to the unit phase status. Notice that we're running time base, we're running pattern 3, and we're coordinated. We're in step. So going from free to in step as quickly as I can move up there. Now we're going to try a different pattern. So if we're in pattern 3 and we've got a 120-second cycle, and we want to go to pattern 1 to an 80-second cycle, we're going to shorten the cycle by 40 seconds, and we're going to change the offset from 10 seconds to 25 seconds. So we simply go to the coordination parameter screen and change it from automatic to pattern 1, hit apply, go to the unit phase status, and I'm in step. So I'm already running that pattern. Picked it up real quick, no transition, rocking and rolling. So no offset correction, no cycle correction. So we have we'll do one more so we can do a more typical item is when you want to add, say, 20 seconds to a cycle. So we'll go from an 80-second cycle to a 100-second cycle, and we'll go from a 25 seconds offset to a 90-second offset. So the cycle's 20 seconds, but we have a big offset jump. So we go here and we'll pick our pattern 2, hit apply. We'll go up to our unit phase status. And when we get there, we are running pattern 2. We're coordinated. We're in 2 and 6. We're our offset, our program offset, and our actual offsets in step. And the programming is quite simple, or the secret to make a Coord Now pattern is to go to controller, go to coordination, go to advanced options, and select the patterns that you want to be Coord Now or go through this quick jump into steps. So you pick advanced options, Coord Now, and just check whichever ones you want. It might be one, it might be none, or any combination thereof. The application for this is for instant patterns or peak period patterns where you just need to add more time, pump more cars immediately. So if you had 10 intersections on this street, you'd want them all in step immediately. Just make it a Coord Now pattern with a checkbox and you're good to go. Thank you for watching tutorial 131 with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks. Bye.